air fryers are revolutionizing the way we cook. They're a healthier, faster, and more convenient way to prepare your favorite crispy foods. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or a busy parent, an air fryer is a must-have kitchen appliance. In this video, we'll dive into the top-rated air fryers on the market right now. We'll break down the key features to look for and recommend the best models for different needs. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, stick around. And remember, all the links to these amazing air fryers are in the description below. So, check them out and elevate your cooking experience today. Number 5. On number 5, we have Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10 Quart Air Fryer. It's a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the best of air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, and reheating functions. With its spacious 10-quart capacity and 7-in-1 functionality, this air fryer oven is perfect for families and individuals who love to cook a variety of dishes. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1. It has 7-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, reheat, and rotisserie functions. Number 2. It also has 10-quart capacity. It accommodates large meals and family-sized portions. Number 3. It has even crisp technology. It ensures crispy, evenly cooked food with minimal oil. Number 4. It also has easy-to-use touchscreen with intuitive controls for precise cooking. It also has rotisserie function. It's perfect for juicy rotisserie, chicken, and other meats. Number 5. It also has dehydrator function. You can create healthy snacks, dried fruits, etc. Final verdict: the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 10-quart air fryer that can significantly enhance your cooking experience. And user-friendly design make it a great choice for families and individuals who want to cook healthy and delicious meals. If you're looking for a high-quality air fryer oven that can do it all, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus is definitely worth considering. Number 4. On number 4, we have Ninja DoubleStack to Basket Air Fryer. It's a revolutionary kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. With its innovative stack design, this air fryer maximizes space efficiency while delivering impressive cooking performance. This versatile appliance offers a multitude of cooking functions, allowing you to air fry, broil, bake, dehydrate, and reheat your favorite foods with ease. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full family meal, the Ninja DoubleStack has you covered. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1. It has DoubleStack technology. This unique feature enables you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously at different temperatures, saving you time and energy. Number 2. It also has large capacity with a combined capacity of 10 quarts. This air fryer can accommodate larger portions and family-sized meals. Number 3. It also has Smart Finish and Match Cook. This intelligent feature allows you to set different cooking times for each basket, ensuring that both dishes are ready at the same time. Number 4. It has versatile cooking functions, from air frying to dehydrating. This air fryer offers a wide range of cooking possibilities. Final verdict: the Ninja DoubleStack to Basket Air Fryer is a game-changer for busy individuals and families alike. Its innovative design, impressive performance, and versatility make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a space-saving, high-performance air fryer that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Ninja DoubleStack is an excellent choice. Number 3. On number 3, we have Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. It's a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the power of a convection oven, air fryer, and more into a sleek, stainless steel design. This smart oven is designed to elevate your cooking experience, offering precise temperature control, rapid cooking times, and a wide range of cooking functions. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1. It has Element IQ system. This innovative technology ensures even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked food every time. Number 2. It also has 13 smart cooking functions, from air frying and baking to broiling and dehydrating. This oven has it all. Number 3. It also reduces cooking time by up to 30%, while maintaining crispness. Number 4. It also has large capacity. It accommodates a variety of dishes, including whole chickens and large roasts. Number 5. It has easy-to-use digital interface with clear display and preset options. Number 6. You can also access a world of recipes, cooking tips, and guided cooking experiences from its app. Final verdict. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a game-changer for home cooks. Its versatility, precision, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook, this oven will help you achieve restaurant-quality results at home. Number 2. On number 2, we have Ninja Foodi 8 Dual Zone to Basket Air Fryer. It's a revolutionary kitchen appliance that takes air frying to the next level. With its innovative dual zone technology, you can cook 2 different foods simultaneously, saving time and effort. Whether you're a busy family or a health-conscious individual, this air fryer offers versatility and convenience like no other. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1, it has dual zone technology. You can cook 2 dishes at once, with independent temperature and time controls for each basket. Number 2, it also has 6-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, and reheat a wide variety of foods. Number 3, it also has Smart Finish technology. It ensures both dishes finish cooking at the same time, perfectly coordinated. It also has large 8-quart capacity, accommodates larger meals and families. Number 4, it has easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe baskets, convenient cleanup for hassle-free cooking. Number 5, it also has intuitive digital touchscreen. It has simple and user-friendly operation. Final verdict. The Ninja Foodi 8-quart, 6-in-1 dual zone to basket air fryer is a game-changer for modern kitchens. Its powerful features and versatile functionality make it a must-have for anyone who is seeking healthy and delicious meals. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this air fryer will elevate your culinary experience. Now talk about number 1. On number 1, we have Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. It's a revolutionary kitchen appliance that redefines the way you cook your favorite foods. With its cutting-edge technology and versatile features, this air fryer allows you to enjoy crispy, delicious meals with significantly less oil. It's the perfect solution for health-conscious individuals who crave the taste of fried food without the guilt. Now talk about its notable key features. Key feature number 1, it has rapid air technology. This innovative technology ensures even heat distribution, resulting in crispy food with minimal oil. Number 2, it also has smart sensing technology. It can automatically adjust time and temperature for perfectly cooked meals every time. It also accommodates large portions, making it ideal for families and gatherings. Number 3, it has versatile cooking system. You can fry, bake, grill, roast, and reheat a wide variety of dishes. Its removable parts are dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning. Number 4, it also has user-friendly interface with preset programs for hassle-free operation. Number 5, it's also energy efficient. It consumes less energy compared to traditional ovens. Final verdict. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. Its ability to deliver restaurant-quality results with minimal effort makes it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking for a convenient cooking solution, this air fryer is sure to exceed your expectations. Well, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the best air fryers on the market. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision and upgrade your kitchen. Remember, the key to choosing the right air fryer is to consider your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're a solo cook, having a large family, or a health-conscious individual, there's an air fryer out there for you. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe ideas and product reviews. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for the air fryers we've discussed. Happy frying!